Namrata from Wildfilms India, and this is Mandeep and this is Dhari. So we have got 3 new Apple iMac which we are going to unbox for you. So let's not keep you guys waiting and unbox this very quickly for you. We are going to open this for you. As you can see, it's packed in a white box. This, as you can see, is the Magic Keyboard provided by Apple. So this, I'm going to open the box and keep it aside. We have got the power adapter. And this is Apple iMac 4K for you. So as you can see, this is the back. So we are putting new softwares into this new Apple 4K iMac. So the softwares are being installed right now to be ready for professional use for the editors over here. Have got this brand new Apple iMac 4K for Wilderness Films India, and after unboxing it, we are seeing all of its features. So it's having a screen of 21.5 inches of 4K. Its processor is Intel Core i5 3 GHz. That's pretty fast. Memory is 8 GB and it has a 1 TB hard disk. It's capable of converting all the videos and editing them into 4K pretty fast, more than a professional editing system can do. This is a new system launched by Apple, and its display is being 21.5 inch, as I told you. That's 4096 into 2304 to be more specific. Storage has a 1 TB hard disk, but if you want to put 8 GB, you can put 2 cards of 4 GB and 4 GB in it. That will run your system pretty fast, and there is one Magic Keyboard, as you can see over here, and one Magic Mouse. There is an internal charger, so there is no hurdles of putting your battery into it and charging it up. So when this gives a signal that it's lack of charging, so you have an internal charger and you can charge it immediately up. So it's pretty much advanced and improved than the rest of the Mac which have come in the market till now.